Greetings, everybody, and welcome to the Rishikul Online School of Learning. And you are inside the political science class, and we are dealing with the class 11th book, that is Indian Constitution at Work. And we are dealing with the chapter number 4, that is Executive, and we are dealing module 1. So students, the chapter Executive starts with the definitions of the executive. See, in a democratic constitution, the power is shared horizontally among the three organs of government, namely the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The executive means a body of persons that looks after the implementation of rules and regulations in actual practice. In case of Indian government, one body may take policy decisions and decide about rules and regulations, and the other body would be in charge of implementations of those rules. The organ of government that primarily looks after the function of implementation and administration is called the executive. In India, there are two types of executives are there, namely permanent executives and non-permanent executive. Also, the non-permanent executives are known as political executives. So now there are two systems of executive are there in democracy. Basically, they are based on the principles of collective leadership and the system based on the principles of individual leadership. Now, under the system based on principles of collective leadership, we have the parliamentary system of executive and semi-presidential system of executive. In parliamentary system of executive, we have the head of government as prime minister. Also, the prime minister is the leader of the majority party in legislature. Therefore, he is accountable to the legislature. And the head of the state may be a monarch or president. In a parliamentary system, if we have the head of the state as monarch and president, monarch or president, then we will call them as ceremonial executive. And in semi-presidential system, we have the president as the head of the state and prime minister as the head of the government. And the prime minister and his council of ministers are responsible to the legislature. Now, see, in the system based on individual leadership, we have the presidential system of executive. Presidential system of executive, we have the president as the head of the state. He is also the head of the government. And the president is usually directly elected by the people. That's why president is accountable to the public. He is not accountable to the legislature. That's all from module 1. We'll be meeting in the next module of the same chapter. Till then, be safe and take care of yourself and families. Thank you.